Welcome back, little readers. It's another Digraph Day. What are digraphs again? Yes, 2 letters, 1 sound. So, shall we do the Digraph Rap? Yes, let's do this. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. So remember the digraphs? Ooh. It had 2 O's and also 2 sounds. So you have and oo. The ha also has 2 sounds. The first sound that we're learning is the oo. So you stick out your tongue a little bit. Ooh. Ooh. And you can feel your neck. It's kind of moving. Ooh. Ooh. There. It's a little rude, but yeah, that's the story. Ooh. Stick out your tongue a little bit. Now, let's sing.
Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say
the f? It's words time. I will do the action. You sound out the letters with me, and let's try to read it together. Okay? Let's start. So we have Again, them. Next, again, that. Next, again, this. Next is again. Father. Okay. Next is One more time. Double digraphs. Smooth. It's time for solo work. Okay? Solo work means with the help of the sound dots and the actions that I will make, you sound out the letters, I'll be quiet, and then you try to read it. Ready? Go. Again. Gather. Next is one more time. Easy. Mother. And last one is again. Yes, another member of the family is your brother. Okay, that wraps up everything. And you are brilliant as always. So, you're learning so much now. I'm happy about this. If you're happy too, like and subscribe and watch again. I'll see you in the next digraph. Bye.